Hello and welcome to my newsletter, International Games. The game that I chose is called Snooker. What is snooker? Snooker is a cue sport that originated among the British Army officers that were stationed in India. Snooker is somewhat similar to the game of pool, but it's quite different. The inventor of the game was Francis Fitzgerald Chamberlain in 1875. Here is a link to the history of snooker. I've also included a link to the screenshot of the Snooker official website page, and I've included a link to a Snooker video of people actually playing the game. I learned that Snooker isn't the same as pool. In Snooker, there's 22 balls that are included, including the white ball. I also believe the 8 balls included in the point system. Pool, it's quite different. You only use 9 balls. The tables are somewhat different in size. The snooker tables are much larger, green rectangles, than the pool tables. Pool tables are, I think, a bit lower, and the other tables are higher. I've included the rules of the game. It's mostly a point system. You add up the points and value to see who the winner is. So this just gives you all the points for the colors of the balls. Here's a demonstration of the table setup for when you play. The reason that I've chose this game is because I do actually like to go shoot pool. I enjoy shooting pool. I don't think that I could ever play that game snooker because after doing research, it seems too hard and too challenging to do. But because I like pool, I figured, oh, let me just do this. They're kind of related in a way, but much different. And that is the end of my presentation.